Well, now to complete the application, we are going to see in the equipment already installed, you will see that there is a cable that energizes the outdoor unit card. Yes. This cable comes directly from the electrical connection. And then we have the intercommunication cable that we were talking about previously in the diagram. This cable is the one that carries the current and the signal toward the indoor unit. And this cable is the one that energizes the whole equipment and has L1, neutral and ground. This is the cable that comes from the house line, right? Yes. It is not like in the previous air conditioners that were plugged in. This comes directly from the house line. The signal cables are, in 1 we place the color black, in 2 we are going to place the color blue, and in 3 the color brown. Then we have the cable, also for ground connection, which is that yellow-green one that we all know. It goes connected to ground. Just as we placed here, we must plug it into the evaporator unit. In the indoor unit, now we will see here the electrical diagram. Here we can see the card, where the power cables enter, and where each of we do a zoom. And we can see L1 brown, L2 blue, and ground.